Hi everyone, how are we all doing? Now in this short video I want to talk about the terrible storm that happened in Oklahoma on Monday. Now I've got to say that when I saw this on the news I was shocked, seriously. I mean, the amount of devastation that storm has caused is absolutely mind-blowing, and I can't comprehend, what it must be like for the people of Oklahoma, the families that have lost loved ones in this terrifying tornado. Absolutely tragic. This tornado reached speeds of over 200 miles an hour, and it carved a 17-mile path through neighbourhoods, schools, and it just caused major devastation through Oklahoma. I mean, wow. It really is just devastating, and I want to say that my thoughts and prayers go out to the families, the people that lost their lives, been affected by this terrifying ordeal. I can't imagine what it must be like for those people in Oklahoma at the moment, and it just goes to show really that Mother Nature can be deadly, as was certainly proved on Monday. Now, where I live here in the UK, I guess we should count ourselves lucky in some respects, because I mean we get kind of like mini tornadoes occasionally, but they very rarely come inland and cause any major damage. And like I said, in that respect we're lucky. I guess when you've never experienced something like a tornado, you can't even understand what it must be like. I know that there's millions of people in America that have probably become used to the tornadoes over the years that have happened. We know with the underground bunkers that people go in when tornadoes hit. But I don't think anyone was expecting this. But check out this little piece of footage that I came across. It'll give you an idea as to just how powerful this tornado was on Monday. Absolutely devastating. I mean, and the awesome power behind that tornado, I mean, it's just mind-boggling. It really is mind-boggling. This tornado caused over $2 billion worth of damage. Oh, I don't know. I'm just lost. I'm speechless. I'm just lost for words. It's going to be a long process for those people that have been affected by this, to pick up the pieces and move on and, rebuild their lives. It's sad. Let's just pray for all those in Oklahoma, and pray for those people, like I said, that sadly lost their lives. But thank you very much for watching this. That's my thoughts on this tragic story. And until my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.